So the other day, what happened? All of us were in a kitty party on a video call, obviously. Hashtag safe at home. So then, like, we were all playing housey as usual, and then Shilpa, suddenly out of the blue, she was like, oh my god, like, she was like, she just put her card on, like, oh my god, I don't want to do this is so boring, I just want to get over this thing. Then I was like, everyone was like, okay, like, we agree. So then she went like she went on to me like, why don't you tell us your proposal story? And I was like, come on, like, I used to be delusional before marriage, but like not now. So like she was like, no, you have to tell us, like, there are people who have just joined up kitty party, they don't even know your proposal story. I was like, who doesn't know, like all the plebs? But then I was like, okay, like she was insisting, and she's like my bestie, so I couldn't say no. So then I went on to tell my story, which, like, I started, like, in a simple way, like, that it was a casual dinner we were having. Like, it was not at our homes, obviously, not with our parents. So we were having this dinner at this really fancy restaurant, like, yeah, casual kind of, like, this white, it had white curtains on the side and a white round table. And we had, like, red wine in our glasses and stuff. Not champagne, not that cliche. So yeah, so that was it. And then we were sitting, and I never expected him to propose, because, like, we were not even like in a relationship. We were like, I would say, like, it's complicated. It was like that, and then suddenly he went on one knee. So I was like, I saw him, but I thought, like, maybe it's something else, like, the first thing that came to my mind was like, oh my god. And then I was like, okay, it's something else, I'll just forget it. So I just went, like, I just with my wine glass, I was just sitting, and I was like looking other side, like I was like, I don't see you, like I was like so scared. But then he like stayed there for a minute. So then I had to look there, and I was like, oh my god, and then he was like then he said me that and then I got up, like, so before he told me. So then he, like, I thought, like, I was waiting that he would, like, open up his, like, jacket and, like, remove his ring or something, like, to propose me with. But then he didn't, and then I waited for a second, and then he smiled at me funnily, like, and I was like, okay. And then, that guy, I mean, yeah, my husband, my present husband, not that guy. So he then actually opened his briefcase, and I was like, oh my god, like, has he prepared a PPT, or like has made up a speech and he's going to read that out, like, presentation? I was like, oh my god. But then he, like, removed a big box, and then it was like this big. So I thought it could be a necklace box, obviously, but then it was this thick. So I was like, no, it's like not this thick, this thick. So I thought it can't be a necklace box, because it was too thick to be a necklace box. Like, I literally, so lived in jewelry shops, going jewelry shopping. I loved it. So I knew it was not that. And I had actually opened my brand then, like, my own brand of the jewelry thing. Yeah, but let's not get distracted. So yeah, so that's why I was sure that it was not a like, normal necklace box. So I was like, now what has he brought, like, to propose me with? So then I just, like, he opened it, and it opened with a perfect click, like, that he presses that button, and it opened like this, and it was like mesmerizing. So what happened then, I saw, like, what's inside, and there was a crown, like a this thin, like, it was this thin crown, like, and it was the whole thing. And then there was a tiara. Okay, you know the difference between a crown and tiara. Crown goes all the way, tiara, it's like over till here. Yeah, I hope you know. So yeah, just being clear. So then and then there was a ring in the middle, this one. Just a heads up. So I was like, oh my god, like, I was like, why are you being so extra? I wanted to say that, I wanted to say, like, which one am I supposed to wear, but that wouldn't have sounded romantic. So I kept that in my mind, because I just didn't want that to happen. So I was like, I just asked him, like, like, which one do you prefer me to wear? So he was like, whatever you want. And then he went like, will you be my queen? And I was like, oh my god. But yeah, that time I just said okay. So I thought he would, like, not accept that. Like, okay, what's okay? Like, at least I should have told her yes. But he was like, but he took it. He just, he just took my hand, put the ring in it. Then he got up, and he kept that thing on the table, and then he put the crown on my, hair, and he just smiled at me. And I just smiled at him, and like I sat down on my chair, and then I told him, like, what is this, who will wear this tiara now, like, I'm not convinced. So he was like, what do you want me to do? I'm like, you wear this tiara. So he was like, okay, future wife. So I was like, he agreed, and I was just kidding around, and he actually agreed. So I was like, okay, yeah, you have to wear it. Yeah. So I just put the tiara on his head, and he didn't object. So I was like, okay, like he's wearing it. And what happened then? So he had the tiara on his head, and I'm like, oh my god, I have to click a picture. But it would have sounded too like rude, like, to just click a picture. So I was like, okay, let's, like click a picture of him, like, and then, be like, ah. So that would have been childish as hell. So okay, that was not what was in my mind exactly, but I obviously wanted a picture. Like, I just got engaged, for God's sake. So I was like, we were the desserts came in, and then they were like, the waiter was laughing, like he was like watching the tiara and like congratulating us for sure. And then I was like, yeah, and then he went, like, left us in peace. So then I was like, let's click pictures. So like we clicked selfies, all of them. So it was like, there was this one picture, and I'm feeding him the dessert, like, I'm with this, like, hand on my, like, cheek, like showing the ring, like, I'm just got engaged. It's like being sure that I'm showing you that it's my left hand, that I am actually engaged. And I'm feeding him, and like he has a tiara on his head, and he's like, and I'm like, oh my god, that picture is hilarious, like, seriously. And there was this one more picture in this, like, I'm doing this thing, like, and he's up with a tiara going, and it's so cute, it's so adorable. I posted it on, like, Instagram, and some people were like, we didn't see the pictures, and they said they checked it on Facebook. I'm like, who uses Facebook? Like, plebs. So I was like, forget about that bad parts of the story. So yeah, so that, and the internet got mad with those pictures, like they were like, how adorable and blah blah blah. So yeah, and that was it. That was our story, guys.